Ah, there really is no blame. We cannot point fingers at anyone, even though we love to do that as humans. Just who's responsible? Who's guilty for what I'm feeling? We cannot actually point fingers at anyone and blame, because we have all been raised by lies. We've all been raised by the opposites of what is true in life as little members of society that we are, or were, hopefully. What is true strength? What is true health? What is a real man? What is a real woman? What is a happy life? Everything is lies. If you go around chasing health in a way that society promotes health, you're done at 60. If you want to chase happiness the way society tells you life is happiness, you are never happy. If you chase strength the way society portrays strength, you're gonna be swole and far from whole. You're gonna be dysfunctional, stiff, overloaded, swollen, and a swollen colon, but unable to bend, unable to adjust to life. Everything, so much of what all of us have been taught life is backwards, completely the opposite. And therefore we cannot point fingers at anyone. You can't point fingers at your parents for doing things to you, for being the way they were towards you, because they were lied to as well. They're living a lie. They're still living a lie, probably. If you're on this channel watching these videos and you haven't unsubscribed or reported me to some authority, imaginary being authority of YouTube, of censorship, of what is allowed to be said and what is not allowed to be said. If you're still here, then you don't want to live the lie. Many will live the lie. Many will stay in the lie. Because in order to start living in truth, you gotta retract the finger. You gotta retract that finger pointing who's to blame. It just is what it is. Born into a backwards mental system. Everything we've been taught is wrong and backwards and life damaging and not life affirming. That's why when you start being life affirming, all the ones that are still stuck in the illusion will try to exile you, condemn you, point the finger. This is one of the easiest impulses humans have as a species, is who is to blame. Orientation response, watching, who said that? Who's responsible for that? I'm hungry, are you to blame? I'm emotional, it must be because of you. Driving a bike, puts own stick into own bicycle, falls down, says fuck the government. Yes, and you can also say no. You can say, yeah, the government's responsible for this. Yeah, you know why? Because you gave your responsibility to them. You can only point fingers towards people and institutions and events that you gave your authority to, that you gave your responsibility for your life in their hands. And then you can say it's your fault. But even then, it's actually your fault for giving them the responsibility. So, it's kind of a mixed video, kind of a spicy video, kind of like, are you responsible? Are you? Am I responsible? Am I? That's one part of the video. The other part, just forgive everyone. Forgive yourself. You've been taught everything backwards. Forgive your mom and dad, even worse. Even worse, they're probably one of the first generations or second generations really immersed in that, and they are already very far gone in their age, and mentally it's harder to rewire the more conditioned and locked in mentally you are. So there's no one to blame. What, your grandparents raised during the wars and famines, lack mindset? You cannot try teaching them to fast. Tell your grandma to skip a meal. She's gonna die just by thinking of that possibility. To skip a meal. Immediately flashbacks of famine. Ah, poor grandmas. I can only joke about these things because all my lineage is raised on war. I almost blew up with my car from the shrapnel from the grenade. My folks brought me out when I was 1 year old. They brought me out of the car and the three of us survived. 5 minutes later, if we were late, 5 minutes later, a shrapnel blew up the car. No I Create Lines videos. No I Create Lines graphic design. No rhymes. No music albums. No audio courses. None of this glorious beard and pineapple hair telling you how to live your life better or giving you one-on-one advice. These are all things that are, by the way, accessible through the website. Oh, this is an interesting end of the video. I think I might upload this right now. Peace, health, and abundance. Human design readings, in depth, your chart, your design. Which thoughts are yours? Which emotions are yours? How to discharge both of those. What sexual energy, creative energy is yours, what is not. Root, pressure, proving, throat, everything. How to discharge and clean. How to know who you are. It's about consistency and it's about sustainability of energy. It's about energy usage. Human design. I'm a projector guide. I'm here to guide energy. I don't drive the plane. I'm not the plane itself. I'm the guy that lands the plane where it needs to go and says that plane needs fueling. I'm here to guide everybody's energy so they don't give their life, forfeit their life, but give everything they can in such a way that tomorrow they're refreshed and they can do it again by being aligned to their genetic code, their human design, their gene keys, their nervous system is balanced, no addictions, no anxiety, no depression, ideal elemental balancing, embodying the perfect archetype for their body type, individuals, relationships, families, neurodivergent, bipolar, autistic, ADHD, any diagnosis nobody has been able to explain, I can do it. I can help you. iCreateLines.com. Send me an email inquiry, tell me your life situation. We can set up coaching calls through Zoom. You get recordings, you get PDFs, you get direct feedback from me. You get guided breathwork sessions, guided nervous system balancing, rebalancing sessions. Weekly, can be set up one time only. 10 or more sessions are discounted and 50% off if you're a projector type. Also, I'm a graphic designer and artist for 20 and plus years. Check out everything on the website and hit me up if you need logos, banners, posters, anything graphic-wise. I work primarily with alternative businesses focused in nature, health. However, if you're there wanting that 90s and 2000s graffiti edge, stylish line, artwork, design, just check it out. You can send me messages through my WhatsApp. You can send me messages through my free Telegram channel, through the website iCreateLines.com. Find me on Instagram, donate through my PayPal, buy my audio courses or listen to my audio courses on my Insight Timer. Everything in the description of this video. Leave a comment below, subscribe and like. You can leave a comment asking a question and I might use the question to make a video answer about it. Peace, health, abundance, wholeness, prosperity, courage and clarity.